When feathers fly, tips for managing bird aggression. In the colorful realm of avian companionship, there's more than meets the eye when it comes to our feathered friends. While birds are celebrated for their stunning plumage and charming chirps, they can also display behaviors that might ruffle a few feathers, quite literally. Bird aggression is a fascinating but sometimes challenging aspect of bird ownership. Today, we'll delve into the world of bird behavior and share some tips for managing bird aggression in your feathered companions. Understanding the feathered dynamics. Before we spread our wings into the realm of solutions, let's grasp why our feathered companions sometimes let their tempers take flight. Bird aggression is often rooted in their natural instincts and environmental factors. Territorial instincts. Many birds are fiercely territorial. They may perceive their cage or a certain area as their domain, leading to aggressive behavior when someone intrudes. Hormonal changes. Just like humans, birds go through hormonal fluctuations. During breeding seasons, they might become more protective or possessive. Fear and stress. Birds are sensitive creatures. Changes in their environment, the presence of unfamiliar people or animals, or even loud noises can trigger stress and aggression. Social dynamics. Some bird species are inherently social, while others are more solitary. Introducing a new bird to the flock can disrupt established hierarchies and lead to aggression. Tips for managing bird aggression. Now that we've perched ourselves firmly in the world of bird behavior, let's explore some practical tips for keeping the peace with our feathered companions. 1. Know your bird's triggers. Pay close attention to your bird's body language. Understand what situations or stimuli trigger their aggression. This awareness can help you avoid potential conflicts. 2. Provide adequate space. Ensure your bird's cage is appropriately sized. Birds need room to stretch their wings and feel comfortable. A cramped space can lead to stress and aggression. 3. Regular socialization. Birds are social creatures, and isolation can lead to behavioral problems. Spend quality time with your bird, engage in interactive play, and provide mental stimulation. 4. Training and positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement techniques for training. Reward good behavior with treats and affection, and discourage aggression by withholding attention when it occurs. 5. Respect their territory. If your bird becomes territorial, respect their boundaries. Avoid invading their space unnecessarily, especially during sensitive times like molting or nesting. 6. Environmental enrichment. Keep their environment engaging with toys, perches, and foraging activities. Boredom can contribute to aggression, so keep their minds active. 7. Proper diet and health. Ensure your bird's diet is well-balanced and suited to their species. Regular vet checkups are essential to detect and address any health issues that may contribute to aggression. 8. Gradual introductions. If you're introducing a new bird to your flock, do so gradually and under supervision. Birds can be territorial about their companions. 9. Consult a professional. If your bird's aggression persists or escalates, seek advice from an avian veterinarian or a certified bird behaviorist. They can provide expert guidance tailored to your specific situation. Conclusion: a harmonious flock. In the mesmerizing world of birds, where vibrant plumage and joyful chirps reign, It's crucial to remember that avian companions have their own set of instincts and behaviors. Bird aggression, while challenging, can be managed with patience, understanding, and the right approach. By taking the time to understand your bird's triggers, providing a stimulating environment, and practicing positive reinforcement, you can foster a harmonious relationship with your feathered friend. Remember, every squawk and flutter is a part of their unique personality, making the journey of bird ownership both enlightening and rewarding. So, as you navigate the skies of bird companionship, may your feathers always find a way to peacefully coexist in the dance of life with your cherished avian companion. Thank you for joining us on this winged adventure into the world of bird aggression. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to chirp about it with your fellow bird enthusiasts. And, as always, stay tuned for more captivating insights into the fascinating world of our feathered friends, right here on TheraPlanet. Until then, happy bird watching!